Revolutionize your hunting experience with our innovative unidirectional perspective design. This feature allows you to observe your surroundings from within the chair blind without opening windows. Every move of your prey is under your control, enhancing your hunting tactics significantly. Our hunting blind boasts a unique camouflage pattern, expertly designed to blend seamlessly into the thicket. This ensures rapid concealment, providing the perfect hideout, especially in autumn and winter. Stay hidden and increase your chances of a successful hunt. Enjoy a hunter's spacious personal space with our blind. The interior is 50.5 inches tall, 47 inches front to rear, and 31.5 inches side to side. The seat is 20 inches wide by 16.5 inches long, offering comfort while you wait for your prey. Experience effortless setup and dismantling with our lightweight and portable hunting blind. The chair's integrated design requires no complex procedures. Assemble the blind in minutes, and with the included storage bag and secure buckle, transported easily to any location. Built to withstand harsh weather, the chair features a strong, durable frame made of steel tubes with a diameter of 16 millimeters and thickness of 0.9 millimeters. Reinforced corners and advanced spraying processes ensure long-lasting performance for all your hunting adventures.